So we just pulled into Pacific Dunes Ranch RV Resort. This place is mind-blowing. It is so beautiful. George is the manager. I mean, do you know you work in paradise?
It truly is a unique setting. We have the pristine sand dunes over our shoulder right here. You can go out on the dunes, take a nice hike, do some yoga, get the kids out on some sand sleds, and just have a wonderful time out on the dunes. It truly is spectacular.
I cannot wait to do absolutely everything here.
Yeah,
everything. Let's talk about these dunes. I've talked to many people that I know, and they say they're some of the most spectacular sand dunes in the whole country.
They truly are, Scott. So these are the Oceano pristine sand dune preserve. It really is an amazing, spectacular view.
And you're the only access point. That's mind-blowing.
It is very unique, which gives us a special position in the RV market, that our guests come here knowing that this is a very exclusive location.
So the park is quite spacious. I mean, you have a couple hundred RV spots, but you only have 3 cottages. Should we go take a look?
Let's go.
Let's go. Tell me a few stats.
We have 214 RV sites, 3 cozy cottages here for rentals. They know what to expect from our team when they get here. And for us, we think that's a big reason why they do return to Pacific Dunes Ranch. We imagine a place where you feel welcomed home.
I know we plan on going horseback riding, and the horseback ride is on the beach.
It's very unique. We have guests from all over the world who basically have that as their bucket list. We're very proud of the fact that our guests enjoy that.
Very close to the resort, you have ATV ridings. I mean, there's so many things to do.
There's so much to do here, Scott, whether you want to go down and ride OHV on the vehicle beach, or 10 minutes away, you've got the downtown Pismo dining and pier. We've got Avila Caves just 15 minutes up the road. Another site that people love to go see is the Monarch Butterfly Cove, which is 5 minutes from here. It really is an incredible site.
My favorite is just sitting by the RV and having a campfire at night. I mean, I just think it's magical.
Whether you're coming to stay for 2 days, a week, or a season, we want everyone to feel welcome here at Pacific Dunes RV. We feel like we have a lot to offer. Good old-fashioned hospitality in a setting like this, you just can't go wrong.